Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how you can make your own mini book really simply and really easily. Okay, first thing you're going to need is a plain piece of paper, and then you're going to need to fold that in half lengthwise. Once you have done that, really simply open that back up, and we're going to just cut down right down the middle here. Middle line. I'm going to do this really quickly. Okay, once you've cut that, you will have two pieces of paper like this. What you'll then need to do is meet both ends together and then put a piece of tape across it. So now you have one really long piece. Now to make the actual book out of this long length of paper, it's very simple. You'll need to fold it back in half so both pieces are on top of each other. Fold it again, and then you'll need to fold it one more time, and then you've got a shape that's like this. However, it's not quite in the style of a book yet. The pieces aren't folding correctly. So all we need to do to get the correct fold is to go back and forth with the paper on the fold. So I'll fold it, keeping it, using those lines, those folds as guides. Fold one way, then the other, then back on itself, and again, like you're folding a fan or an accordion. Sorry, back and forth, back and forth. And now you have got something that resembles a book. Okay, we're not finished yet. Now we want to get a lovely cover on it. Now you can use any kind of paper you want. I have found a piece of paper here that's a lovely brown color. It actually happens to be a cereal box. So all we need to do with this is, and you'll see that I've already done it, is we'll need to get our piece of paper, and we'll just need to open one of the flaps there so we have the shape of two, and we'll trace right around that. Okay, and once we've traced around that, we'll cut that shape out, and then we're left with a shape like this. Okay, and then all we need to do is simply fold that in half. Shouldn't be a problem, really easy to do. Grab my little paper that I've already folded. Now you just need to make sure it kind of stands up on itself, so both sides are an upward tent shape. Okay, put that together, pop that in, and then here comes the really simple part. You just glue it. I would personally probably pop the glue right onto the card. It makes it really easy to stick down. Again, I'm just folding it right on top of itself. Okay, and I'm going to flip it over and do the same on the other side. Just get some glue on there. Make sure you cover the whole thing. I'm doing mine quite quickly just to show you, but make sure it's covered in glue. You stick it on there, and now all of a sudden you have a lovely little mini book or a zine. And you should have 6 pages in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so that is how you put together a zine, and this is the one I made earlier. I'm really looking for some creativity. You do not have to use a cereal box or card. You could use fabric, colored paper, wrapping paper. You could even tie a lovely ribbon or a string around it. You can add whatever you would like. The idea is to get as creative as you can and make your zine your mini book. Have fun!